Hello, good morning students. So we are going to use determinant method to find the rank of a matrix. This method is a lengthy method, therefore we use it only for 3 by 3 order matrices or of less order. So here we are going to take this case. Let this be a matrix A for which we need the rank. Right. First of all, we will check what is the highest minor exist in this matrix. So itself, that means 3 by 3 order minor, that is determinant of A. So this is minor of order 3. So we find the determinant according to our expansion method. So expanding with respect to first row, we will get the cofactors here. This is 2, 4, 3, 3, and then minus 1 into 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2, and after cross multiplying all these elements, so we get minus 1 plus 6 and minus 5, which is 0. So determinant of order 3, the minor of order 3 is 0, therefore 3 cannot be the rank of the matrix. So rank of A is not is equal to 3. So it means rank of A must be less than or equal to 2. So now we are going to check the minor of order 2, because minor of order, this was minor of order 3, right? Now minor of order 2 means the determinant of 2 by 2 order out of this matrix. So if we consider the first 2 rows and 2 columns, so that will give us 1, 1, 2, minus 3. We can take any one out of all these. We can take this part, this lower part, or this one. So 2 rows, 2 column you have to take. You can take any 2 rows or column to make a determinant of order 2 or minor of order 2. So cross multiplying this, it is minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 5, which is not 0. So we get a minor of order 2 which is non-zero. Therefore rank will be 2. So in this way we can solve the question. If minor of order 2, all the minor of order 2 also become 0, then we will check for rank 1 when the minor of order 1. Minor of order 1 means 1 row 1 column, single element. So they are non-zero, so obviously rank will be 1. In case determinant of order 2, all the determinant of order 2 become 0. So this was one of the question. Now students, to find the rank of this matrix, we will use the properties of determinant to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A here is 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. Now we have to make at least two elements 0 in the first row, because it is 1, 1, so it is easy to make 0 here. To make the determinant possible to find in a easy way. So here we keep the first column as it is and subtract the first column from second and from third. So we will write it like column 2 minus column 1, column 2, and column 3 minus column 1, column 3. So we are going to change column 2 and column 3. So after subtracting, it will be 0, then B minus A, B square minus A square, and again 0, C minus A, C square minus A square. Right. Now you can take B minus A common, B square, B minus A common from this column, and C minus A column common from the third column. So B minus A and C minus A, these two are common, and what we are left with A square, 0, 1, B plus A, then the third column will be left 0, 1, C plus A, right? Now we will again write this B minus A, C minus A, and this A square. First column as it is. Now again you can write the values which are B plus A and C plus A. Now you can expand, because now expanding with respect to first row will give us B minus A, C minus A, which is already there, and this cross multiplication will be C plus A minus B minus A. So A cancelled with A, so the determinant which is left is B minus A, C minus A, and C minus B. So to make it look more good, B minus A can be written as A minus B after taking minus sign common, and from here also we take minus sign common, so this will become B minus C and C minus A as it is. So this is the determinant of this matrix. So now we have to find the rank. So what will be the rank? Rank will be 3 if this thing is not 0. So we have this. So now as we have find the determinant is A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. Now the rank which we have to find, rank is 3 if this determinant is non-zero. This is the determinant of 3 by 3 order. So if it is not 0, then rank is 3. So it is not 0 means each of this bracket should not be 0. If one of the bracket is 0, then the whole answer will become 0. So we don't need 0. So it is not equal to 0. Then B minus C not is equal to 0 and C minus A not is equal to 0. Means A not is equal to B not is equal to C. Or you can write rank of A is 3 if all A, B, C are different. All are different. If they are not equal to each other, then the rank is 3. Now rank is 2. Rank will be 2 if this determinant is 0. And if this is 0, then we have to check for the minor of order 2. So I am going to write the given determinant again. So if this determinant is 0, the determinant of order 3 is 0, then we have to look for the minor of order 2. Then minor of order 2, like we have taken this one, we can take this. So minor of order 2 here is equal to 1 1 A B, and you calculate it B minus A. So you get B minus A. If B minus A is not equal to 0 or any, you can take this one also. When you take this, you get B minus C not is equal to 0. Then only the rank will be 2 if the minor of order 2 is non-zero. So in each of these cases, you can consider this one also or this one. In each minor of order 2, you'll get that 2 of the elements should not equal. That means out of these 3, out of A, B, C, if 2 are equal, not all the 3 should be equal. So if this happens, because if 2 are equal, like if A is equal to B and B it is not is equal to C, then what will be the answer? If A is equal to B, then this will be 0. If this term is 0, then determinant of order 3 is 0. That means we have to check for minor of order 2, and minor of order 2 will be non-zero if at least 2 out of these 3 should be unequal. Means 2 should be equal and 1 should be different, right? Like this, A is equal to B, then not equal to C, and A not is equal to B, then B is equal to C, like this. This will be the case when the rank is 2. Now if all the 3 are equal, then what will be the case? That is the case of rank 1. Because if A is equal to B is equal to C, what will happen? It means determinant of A is equal to 0 and minor of order 2 also 0. Minor of all the minor of order 2 will be 0. You can see from here all the minor like this. If ABC 3 are equal, then all the minor will be 0. Then what we are left with? Rank 1. And rank 1 when there is only one minor of order 1. So that is this one. You can take 1. So 1 is not is equal to 0. Therefore rank is 1. So this is the answer to this question. In this way you have to write. If all the 3 are not equal, then rank is 3. If 2 of them are equal and 1 is unequal, then rank is 2. If all the 3 are equal, then rank is 1.